So in this video, I want us to explore around this place, and this building that you're seeing over here, the blue and yellow building, is the central police station, which is almost close to CMB. So as you can see, we are in the middle or the crossroad that leads you to different markets. So this crossroad that you're seeing, it leads you to CNB, and it also leads you to Circle, and also it leads you to Tudu and also UTC also as well. So guys, I want us to explore around this place, I mean the streets. Then after that we move to the next market, which is Tudu. That's the nearest market. So we are going to move to Tudu. Then after that we move on to Makola Mall, I mean Makola shopping mall, where the building is. We are going to get close to that place. Then after that we end this video. So guys, just keep on watching the video whilst we also explore around. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you really love this market, just let me know also in the comment section down below. And as you can see, this building, as I told you, that's the central police station, and we are going to move straight from this place to the crossroad of Tudu. So when we get to Tudu, then we also explore around. I just want you guys to see how African market really looks like. I created a channel to explore around places for you to see how places really looks like. So I'm starting in this country, which is my country, Ghana. So I want to go to every part of Ghana to explore around, especially with the market centers. Do you get me? Every marketplace I have to go there and explore around. I mean, take videos around, upload it for you to be in your house or in your country or wherever you find yourself to watch, to see how everything really goes on, and it's going to help you to experience how the place really looks like. So when I get to a very dangerous place, I will alert you that when you go here, this is what is going to happen. You don't have to go here around this time. You don't have to be here around this time. You don't have to do this around this area. Do you get me? So that's the reason why I created this channel. So guys, if you want content like this, please tap on the subscribe button and also like the video also as well. Then after that, turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop in new videos. I want you to be the first person to watch all my videos. So guys, without wasting much time, I don't want to talk too much. I want to end over here so that you will see what is going on in the market and experience what people are doing. So guys, relax and watch the video as you're watching and experience what is really going on in this market. And right now we are around, we are almost getting to Tudu, but this place is actually called Central Police Station just because of the police station at our left hand side, the yellow and blue building. So that's the entrance of the police station. So that's it. So guys, let's go. So right now, as you can see, we are on the crossroad of Tudu. So this is the four crossroad of Tudu. So we are passing at our right hand side that leads us to Makola shopping mall. So guys, just watch this video and experience how the African market really looks like, and how traders in the African market or in this Tudu market really do their business. Do you get me? And as you can see, a lot of people came to the market today, and you know, the street is, you know, full up with a lot of people. Do you get me? Yeah. So guys, just stay calm, watch the video and experience. We are exploring. This channel is to explore around places, so just keep on watching. If you have any question or if you have any idea, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm going to appreciate that. So guys, keep on watching whilst we move on. Let's go. So always when you get over here, you have to check your left hand side where the vehicle is, you know, coming out from. That is Tudu station. So when you enter that place, you are going to Tudu station. So you have to be very careful when you get over here, because maybe the vehicle come across you. Do you get me? It's very important, so you have to note that. So we are on the street of Tudu Market, and when you even go straight, you are going to see a building over there, and that is that building. As you can see, that's yellow building over here. That is the fire service of, you know, Tudu. That's the fire service of Tudu branch. It's in between Tudu and Makola. So that's what is over here. So that's the building. It says what? Accra City Fire Station. So that's this fire service which is in between Makola shopping mall or Makola market and also Tudu market. So guys, keep on watching whilst we move on.
This is Slum.
So finally, we are right now in Makola. So that is, that's Makola Market, and as you can see, a lot of people are busy shopping over here in this market, and this market is one of the most popular market in the greater Accra region. I would say it's one of the popular market in Ghana, of course, because a lot of people come over here to this market to shop, to buy everything that you like they need. Do you get me? When you come over here, you are going to get anything that you want, whether clothing, jewelries, shoes, foodstuffs, anything that you want, you're going to get some to buy over here in this market. And I really love this market a lot. And when you can see over here, this place is a local foodstuffs, market. So these people over here, the traders over here are into food stuff, and when you go straight, you are going to see other traders in jewelries, and when you go straight, you're going to see other people also selling clothes. So guys, I would like to end this video over here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much for tapping on this video also as well. I appreciate you, and I know and believe that you have really enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what you saw in this video, and also if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section down below. If you don't have any question, just write your country name, that maybe you're watching me from Nigeria. Just write, I'm watching you from Nigeria, I'm watching you from United States, I'm watching you from UK, I'm watching you from India, Pakistan, Indonesia, any country that you are watching me from. Just type it in the comment section down below. See you in the next video. Bye.